On July 5th, Meta launched its Twitter killer called Thread app. While the name is not great and because of that users were not able to find the app in the App Store, in just 5 days the app was able to get its 100 million active users, which made it fastest growing app after ChatGPT, which needed about 2 months to get its 100 million users. To be fair, Threads is a Meta or Instagram app and it already has its own user base, so it was easier for Threads to get its 100 million users. They have all the money of the world to promote it, and it was obvious that sooner or later it will gain such a big audience. There is a lot of controversy surrounding this app. First of all, it's an obvious take after the Twitter. Basically, Meta hired all of the Twitter developers that Musk fired and got them to create a new app for it. Really helpful was that Twitter made its code kind of open source by the end of March, so it was easier to create threads after that. And because of the recent Twitter policies and making Twitter kind of paid and having some of the changes in the algorithm on what is allowed and what is not, and banning people, banning other people, etc., it is easier now for Threads to find its audience within the existing Twitter user base. The story kind of reminds the PUBG and the Fortnite, who at some point even had a lawsuit. The moral is that you don't have to be first to kind of make a product which will be really similar but a little bit different and will get your audience. What I think Meta underestimated is that now the Threads will be a parasite to the Instagram. You see, both of them are using the same sort of media, so you can share photos, videos and text content within all of them, and you actually cannot share just the text within the Instagram. So for some people it won't make sense to maintain their Instagram page and Threads page, so they will choose either one or the other, and I think Threads right now will be a little bit hotter than Instagram. Hopefully all of the Instagram models will be able to maintain their job. You see, there is a reason why all of the social media apps grow so fast. For all of the big influencers, this is just another app that they will be able to monetize, so they will have its separate audience and they will be able to sell a promotion post on another app. For businesses, it's just a new product placement, so they will be able to share their organic posts and get free clients from these platforms. And later on, when Threads will turn on its advertisement platform, all of these businesses will be able to start promoting to a new audiences and get more customers. The only category of people that need to be incentivized are the regular users like us. You see, does it make sense for you to scroll 10 different feeds in your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, and now Thread? So probably you will choose just several. And right now, I don't see a reason for you to choose Threads. You see, if you don't have an Instagram account already, you won't even be able to use Threads app, as in order to log in you will need to choose your Instagram account. Because of that, you also won't be able to change your Threads app username. It will default to your Instagram username and you will have to stick with it. And therefore, if at some point of time you will decide to delete your Threads account, you won't be able to do that without deleting your Instagram account as well. Then, considering that you are fine with Meta privacy policies, which are insane, and you will have to agree to them the same way you agreed to Instagram, you will find yourself in basically the same ecosystem as Twitter, but worse as of right now. Currently, there is no way to customize your feed specifically for you, so you won't be able to choose only the people that you follow. You will be exposed to everything. You will see tweets from celebrities that you don't follow, you will see products from the brands that you don't know, etc. As of the technical differences, Threads gives you a little bit more freedom than Twitter. In Threads, your post is limited to 500 characters, when in Twitter, if you are a non-verified user, you're limited to 280 characters. Also, Threads allows you to post longer videos of 5 minutes, where in Twitter you're limited to 2 minutes. Next, if you decide between Twitter and Threads, you will need to consider its policies. As we recently saw, because of Elon Musk's policies, Twitter is leaning towards more of freedom of speech, so you're able to express more radical thoughts than you probably will be able to do in Facebook, and therefore probably Threads will use the same policy. Another technical difference is in-app messaging within Threads and Twitter. You see, within Threads there is no messaging at all, so you won't be able to just chat with someone or discuss one post or another in a private manner. You will have to do that in the comments below the post. While in Twitter you have a built-in messenger that you can use. And as I touched the privacy concern already, you need to know that there are no free apps. You're just paying for it with your own personal data that this app then can utilize in one way or another. And Facebook is not known for its ethical data utilization. So I see why a lot of people would prefer to pay $8 to Twitter rather than using a free app from Facebook. Even though the Threads is a standalone app that you need to separately download from the App Store, it uses your Instagram data, so it can just pull it in just like that. On its US version, Threads mentions that it collects a wide range of different data points on you, which includes your health, financial information, location, contacts, purchases, browsing history, everything. At least now Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk will have something to fight for in the Coliseum. Let me know what you think about Threads and if you are using it already. If you found any value in this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel as I make a lot of videos like this, and have a great day. Bye!